everyone, it's your boy, and today I'm gonna do something different today. Tomorrow we are releasing episode 3 in Python. Today we are doing some Excel because most of the people here really wanted Excel, and I'm gonna teach you some. So before doing that, you might have to pay for Excel because like they have a small pay plan for like using Microsoft. So just if you have that, you're lucky enough to find this course. Just go click this Windows and search Excel, and this should pop up like this. So if you click it, it's gonna show a few stuff like formula tutorial, take an hour, like those. You should click the first thing in your part, which is blank workbook. I am gonna click that. So and we are mostly doing our stuff in these columns and rows, and we are also gonna do a few multiplication, like adding and subtracting stuff. But first, so these are like columns and these are rows. So these are columns and these are rows, okay? So I am gonna, you can type anything you wanted to. I am gonna do a business one, so just type it in. First type business. Sorry, not business. Account management. So to like make this small box bigger, they are called as columns. To make the small box bigger, I am just gonna click in the middle of this, and boom, you got some space here. So inside account management, sorry, we are also having name, account management. We are gonna leave this blank because this is like account management. Like we are using this application for account management. So first name, age. Next we are gonna type salary, and yeah, that's it for this. So like you can put as many rows as you want. I would recommend at least up to column 10. So I'm gonna name John Paul Zig Paul Felix Morgan. Jane. Ashley. Just think of some people's names, and I'm thinking of them. Okay, so the age is, so this is about 18 and about 18 job. So if John Paul is gonna be 26, 25, I'm gonna name it 28, 22, 37, 35, 23, and this is the oldest one. He is 39. Next, the salary is gonna be let's name the salary as $5. Okay, if you work for an hour, you get $5. So 20. I'm gonna like $30, $13, $18, not 18, $25, and Jaden gets $18, and the oldest one has a really bad performance. So I'm also gonna write number of hours worked, and let's see, let's just make it bigger. Okay, so he worked, to get this part you need to work at least 20 hours. 25, 32, and 18, and 23. Okay, next $25. You might at least need to work 30 hours for this amount. Some people, like, if they have a strong relationship with the boss, they might even have to work like all less. Glisa Trevor. Let's name it 17 hours because he's really old. So total, and this is our first equation. So we are gonna type equals, and then we are gonna type this plus times this, and his total salary will be, he will get $15 for it, and his total is $300. Okay, so if I just put this really down, they get like weird amounts of money, and we'll show you how to do that. So like click this small thing right here, like it's a small pixel, it's like it's a little bit bigger than a pixel. Click this and drag this. Oh, I got another way. I can copy this and watch this and paste this. It's the same thing, but I recommend using this way, but it only supports for a number of columns and rows. Like you can't use like 2 rows and columns. And then you're gonna type we are gonna type minimum, who has the minimum number of salary, who worked the minimum number of hours, and the maximum, and the average, and the total. So first we are putting minimum, so type with me, equals min, click these, sorry, I did that kind of wrong, min, inside this draw a small round bracket, it's in like 9, click shift and 9 together and you will get it, and like you can select these, put that, and the minimum age is 22 years. And next, max. So the same thing except we are writing max. And let's see what happens. This is gonna print 39 because the oldest person here is 39 years old. And next we are gonna get average. We're doing the same thing over and over again. Oh, and 29.35. Well, that's too many decimals. I mean, there's like too many decimals. So what I'm gonna do is click this, and click this. So you have like this down your number. You might see something like this. If you click this, the number moves down. So it's 29.4. Well, this time, what's this? Towel. Sorry, not towel. You're just gonna do this, obviously. Sorry, it's not that. Sum of everyone. Sum 235. Well, I don't need the towel for a human, so I am gonna clear contents. You can't use delete, it won't work. Use clear contents, and there will be no code or numbers in here, and everything just boom, just goes away. So next we are gonna copy these. I'm gonna click copy, and like this I am gonna paste it. Paste. Nice. And next we are gonna put the total number, so just do the same thing, equals sum of these numbers with this. Okay, $151. I had to, and yeah, oops, sorry. Well, it's really hard to see this, so I am gonna make them bold so that it's more clearly. So this is most of the numbers you might do if you are a real beginner, and I really recommend this tutorial. It's gonna be really helpful for you in future. So I also need these dollars in here. I don't want to type it again, dollars. Well, you can just type, click this, and boom, you got dollars. And oh wait, not dollars. This doesn't have to be dollars. A small problem I got. You just need to click Ctrl Z if you get an error. Yes. And I don't want dollars. I need you to remove it. No. Damn it. Okay, that's a small problem, but it's okay, nobody will be seeing that. So I'm just gonna click these and click on dollars, these dollars, because if you see a dollar sign, then it has dollars. So yeah, so this is the first part of your Excel course. I will be putting more videos on MS Excel because I think it's really important to learn about, and I think you have learned enough for today. I will see you guys in the next video, and please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and then comment if the video was good and you had some fun learning with me. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.